Check this view from my window. What do you think? This is a train. This is a British train. Anyway, let's start with the review now. So after you saw my view, which is amazing, it's time for review. I bought the cheapest headphones on Amazon UK. I'm talking about... So this is the numark HF 125 on ear DJ headphones. Flexible 7-position, adjustable dual ear cups, large 40mm speakers drivers inside, and also we have 6 feet cable inside. So also adapter, which is very nice. And let's unbox these headphones that I have here. And fun fact, they was released in 2004, 1st of January. That's a long time ago. But anyway, let's see what we have here. Pretty straightforward. We have the headphones. Like I mentioned, they're pretty decent. Also we have the adapter. I'm gonna try these headphones with my audio interface. I'm gonna be surprised if actually they're running. But a little bit about the build quality. This is a fake leather. They're quite small and I do like the design. Actually, if I'm honest with you, pretty decent, as you can see from the side. They're adjustable. We have left and right, and overall they're quite light as well. They're 200 grams. So let's have a test now. Let's try them on. Yeah, definitely lightweight. I feel like I don't have a headphones. 200 grams. Wow, pretty decent weight in my opinion. And now let's give them a test. I'm gonna play some music from my Mac here, MacBook. I have a MacBook. Just pardon me for a second. Let me find where is the headphone jack. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so let's try some music right now because DJ headphones. Let's try some music. I'm listening Mojo. Lady. That's a classic. I like because I like blah, blah, blah. There we go. Lady. I like them because they're lightweight. The sound is balanced. Obviously there's a bass, but the bass is not heavy. I wish the bass was a little bit more punchier, but no, it's not. I miss a little bit of the mids and the treble, but I like the sound. For 960, great sound for presents. Even if you break them, it's fine. It's 960. And fun fact, the headphones was released first in 2004, 1st of January, if I'm not wrong. But there you have it. 960, 10 pounds headphones from the past. Yeah. Give a like, subscribe if you enjoy what you see, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Overall, I'm happy with the purchase. See ya!